Hello trader, I'm going to do a complete multi-time frame analysis on gold as there is a new monthly, weekly and daily opening coming tomorrow. We could find significant trading opportunity in this volatile market. Now before we discuss where we can find this trading opportunity, let's first look at bigger picture, looking at monthly time frame to see overall direction in the market. Now from the monthly we see that gold has formed a monthly narrow doji. Now this is a long term bullish market, as you can see with this monthly bounce from this support zone. We have seen that gold has created this impulse followed by this correction to another monthly important level of support. Now, from that monthly support, gold has another bounce. This is the monthly bullish angle for previous months. We have seen that gold has created a higher low with that support and has broken to the upside completely with a long wick at the top. Now, as a result, this month, once the market opened, after a little pullback, we saw that initial bounce to the upside. Now, at this point, this narrow monthly candle is a doji. Let's see what kind of trading opportunity we have around this candle. This is a narrow candle. What I think that this month we might see after little pullback on the market opening, we could see an uprise to fill some part of this long week monthly candle. As you can see, this is a long-term uptrend, and this long week is a pullback of this overall movement in this monthly candle. So the buyers will try to create another impulse to the upside. At the same time, as you can see that this is the price was creating series of lower high along this zone. There could be selling pressure later this month. So initially we are expecting a drop for pullback and a rise to fill the long week at the top. If we look at the weekly, we can see how the market structure is forming. First of all, from the weekly perspective, overall direction in the market after this triple bottom, there was a strong movement to the upside, narrow correction, and then gold on the weekly creating series of higher high and higher low, which is a typical uptrending market structure. And we see that the market is still maintaining this uptrending market structure. This is the weekly support, and we see that gold is still holding that support for a couple of weeks. After this impulse to the upside, the market has formed this triangular pattern, which is in fact a bullish pattern. After grabbing liquidity from the support, we saw this middleman formation on the weekly, and then we saw that in fact gold has formed a couple of weeks narrow candles consolidating in that zone, still respecting this support level. What I think that in the market opening, initially you could see a drop to test this support, and then we could see this week a bullish move again on gold. Now if we look at daily, we see that there was quite a few days of narrow consolidation. It's almost a one candle consolidation on the daily, and the bigger the consolidation, always the stronger the breakout. As you can see, there is a daily 20 EMA. The price is still holding on to this. This is a dynamic support, and the price always is still retaining above this daily 20m. As you can see, still above this level. What I think that on the market opening, we might see initially retest of this long-term support, and then we could see another bounce to the upside on gold, as we see that the market is still leaving an imbalance in that zone in this long-term uptrending market. So monthly, weekly and daily showing potential for bullish movement on gold. Now if we look at further lower time frame on the intraday, this is the couple of sessions candle on the last day of trading. We saw that the bulls were still in control. Whenever the price is dropping, there's long week candle is being created. Now last three sessions of the trading week was showing a significant bullish momentum in the market. We saw there's a strong rejection followed by a middleman and a narrow long week doji signaling potential buying pressure in that zone. So on the market opening, I will be waiting for initial pullback to the downside to this support, and as soon as you will see gold is preparing for an uprise, we'll consider going long with a high probability trade setup with our students. If you find value in this analysis, then smash the like button and also leave a comment below. Let us know what's your analysis on gold. Thank you. I'll see you soon in my next analysis.